how to buy CZS token. So this token came under the symbol of Toro. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Same place goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, it released 2 hours ago in the explainer platform. So this token increased by 50,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's medium investment in the safe place. So this token is trending #1 right now on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Now open your French wallet for that. Click on swap. Now make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter or OKX, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap here, and you will be able to redirect you to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues, as you know, came from the slippage, and after that you're going to be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Toro token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.